Hey everyone, welcome back. On this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can create a new post and post it automatically on your Facebook wall if you want. But before that, I noticed we have a couple of bugs. I'll show you what I mean. Start your server and go ahead and hit refresh. And let's create a new post. So, hello world, hello. The first bug I noticed, after the post was successfully created, it redirects to that post path, and I don't want that. I want it to redirect to our profile page. And the second bug I found is that there's a div missing here. So it's actually putting the post on this column, on the same column as your profile information, and we wanted to put it right here. So going back to your text editor, go ahead and open your user show.html.erb and add a closing div tag right here. And if we hit refresh, this is solved. Now for the redirect issue, we have to go to our post controller, and that's in the controllers folder on the post controller RB file. And the problem is here. So it's currently redirecting to the actual post after it's created. We want to redirect to the user path, and we need to give it a user, so it's the current user. And we'll copy this line and apply it also to the update and destroy action. Okay, this one is ready here. Okay, cool. And let's try it out now. And let's go ahead and create a new post. Hello, hello. Okay, it's redirecting well. Let's see what happens if we destroy a post. Perfect, all done. Now, to what we're going to do is add a little checkbox here, so it will ask you if you want to post that on your Facebook wall or not. To do this, we're going to need to add a new field to our database column, a new column to our database, which is going to call post on Facebook. That's going to be on the post model. So go ahead and go to your terminal, close down the server, and we're going to need to generate a new migration. So Rails generate migration, add posts on Facebook to posts, and again post on Facebook, and this is a boolean field, which means it can only be true or false. So boolean. Okay, let's check out the migration, and we can do this by going to our DB folder and click on the last migration. So it's going to add the post on Facebook column to our posts table, which is the boolean. So go ahead and migrate this. Rake DB migrate. And now we're going to need to add that new method. So first of all, let's go to the post.rb model file, which is on our app directory, on our models, post.rb. So let's just write this. So we're going to call this method to Facebook. So to Facebook. And what we're going to say, if that checkbox, if self.post on Facebook is true, then we're going to get that Facebook method we just wrote on the user model and make it post to our Facebook wall the content that we write on this post. So self.user.facebook.put wall post and self.content. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna have to run this after every create action. So after the class statement, we're gonna add a line called after create to Facebook. Cool. We just need to add that checkbox to our form, our post form, and we're ready to go. So go ahead on form and add a new input called f.input post on Facebook. And we're going to add another line break. So let's try it out. forgot to turn on the server. Going ahead to your terminal, Rails server. Yep, we have this little label here, but the checkbox for some reason is missing. And this is actually a flat GUI bug, but I managed to solve it. What you're going to do is going to your styles folder, styles file on your style sheets directory, and let's add a new rule. So the rule is dot check, oops, dot checkbox input, and we're going to try and turn off the opacity to 1, and that should solve it. So going back to your browser, hitting refresh, there you go. Now it's currently accepting that field. So let's go ahead and try that. Hello, hello, and let's, yes, post it on Facebook. Cool, poster was successfully created. Let's check it out if it actually posted on Facebook. So going ahead on my Facebook. Doesn't seem it did anything. Let's see what happened. So what happened is we forgot to add a little statement to our post controller, and let's go ahead and go on there. And what we forgot to add is this line here that I took the courtesy to adding it. So we need to authorize the create action to accept this params, which is post on Facebook field. So just go ahead and add post on Facebook here and try it again. Hello, hello, and post was created. Go ahead on your Facebook accounts, and as you can see, yay, hello. All done for now.